Hey guys, this is Roxanne Smithers with Smithers and Ume-Nwagbo, your trusted 360 General Counsel. And I'm here with another note from my Legalpad. So today we're going to talk about some of the tips that you have to keep into consideration if you're going to be conducting a mediation or an arbitration virtually. So we're going to talk through some of the tried and true tips that we have experienced as we ventured into virtual mediations and arbitrations. All right, so you're about to be scheduled for a mediation or an arbitration, and it's virtual. Obviously, you want to make sure that the process goes smooth and is successful for you to either resolve your matter through a settlement or to get a favorable award from an arbitrator. And so here's some special things that you want to think about as you are preparing for that virtual session. One, you want to make sure that you familiarize yourself with the features of the video chat platform that is going to be used. There are so many options out there. Even though we all use the term Zoom, you can be on Microsoft Teams, you can be on Google Chat, you can be on Ring Central, you can be on a myriad of other video chat platforms that are popping up. So you want to make sure that you are specifically clear on which platform is going to be used for your session, that you've downloaded any apps or any programs that will be necessary for you to run the video chat program on your device, and that you've had an opportunity to sort of understand the features and play around with that program in advance. You don't want to be caught off guard when you're utilizing a new video chat platform. Second, you want to make sure that you have a reliable internet connection. Whether you are working on a wireless network or you are actually plugged in with an Ethernet cord, have those options available. Understand how you can utilize a hotspot on your phone or other mobile device as a backup as well. And if all else fails, make sure that you have another device available that you can log in if you're planning to use your computer, have a tablet as a backup, or have your phone as a backup, and make sure that you have dial-in information just in case you have issues with your audio. You will at least be able to participate over the phone until you're able to reestablish that internet connection. Third, you want to make sure that you are attending your session in a location where you can focus on the session at hand, that there are no distractions, that there are no noise issues, and that you are also able to fully participate, speak up and speak your mind, and that you're not in a public location where you don't feel comfortable discussing the issues involved in the session. Both the mediation session in particular, but also an arbitration session can only be as successful as the participants in the process. One of the wonderful things about handling these sort of sessions virtually is you have a whole new myriad of tools at your disposal that you can use for visual aids or for exhibits, whether you are putting on the presentation yourself or you're working with an attorney. Talk through those options for visual presentation to the parties, what information you'd like to have on your computer, what examples, video, other things that you would want to be able to see and exhibit and utilize in terms of tools during that presentation so that everyone can see what you're working on, hear your video, or see whatever notes that you are making on a specific document, which is another reason why it's important to know the video chat platform in advance and to know the features that are available with that platform. Always remember that you have the option, depending on your setup, to utilize break rooms within the video chat platform if you'd like to talk privately to your counsel or you'd like to talk privately to the mediator. Or for some reason the attorneys want to speak amongst themselves or the parties want to speak amongst themselves. Take advantage of those opportunities as well. One of the last things that you want to think about is you want to make sure you know who's in the room. There should be an active roll call of the parties in the room. Any unknown numbers or names that are showing up in the video chat room, make sure that they're identified. because finally, your mediation as well as your arbitration is confidential. And unless the parties have agreed to it, neither should be recorded. So you want to make sure that the sanctity of those sessions is protected. And remember, whether you're in mediation or you're in arbitration, this is an opportunity to connect with the other side and to resolve your issue, whether you are defending a claim or you're promoting a claim. These are your last best chances to take that resolution into your own hands and resolve them without the drawn out or extended cost of a long arbitration or litigation in a court of law. Remember, virtual sessions for mediation, arbitration, and in some circumstances, civil trials and criminal trials are the wave of the future. So it's very important that we familiarize ourselves with the process and that we get all that we can in terms of the benefits out of the technology that's available to us and these new circumstances in which we are going to be engaging to resolve disputes and claims. For more information about the attorneys at Smithers and Ume-Nwagbo, you can reach us on our website at STU Law Group. You can find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, as well as Instagram. Be sure to like and subscribe to this video so that you'll get the latest notes from my Legalpad.